I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to see what's in your iCloud storage on your Apple iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down this menu and then tap iCloud in the list of options. Step 2. Tap Storage in the iCloud menu. You'll land on the Manage Storage screen. Step 3. You can see a high-level overview of what's in your iCloud storage at the top of the screen. In this example, you can see my storage at a high level is broken out by messages, backups, iCloud photos, health information, and other. You can scroll down this menu to see a full list of the apps that are using your iCloud storage and how much of your storage space they're using. You can see more details for any specific item in this list by tapping that item. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.